Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to save mobile data on YouTube mobile. Let me show how to save your mobile data to see all kind of YouTube videos. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my mobile I just open YouTube and I would like to save mobile data. So what I have to do, so first and foremost, all things in internet, so per day 1 GB or 2 GB only mobile provider is giving. So what I have to do to make a setting to save the data, so on top you will find your username, that is your logged in name. Just hit the button, automatically you will have a different kind of options over here. Just choose the settings. So once you go to the settings, the first option is data saving. So just click this data savings and you will get option called data saving mode. So automatically adjust setting to save mobile data. So once you enable this option, means everything, reduce video quality, reduce download quality, everything will be saved, so that your mobile data will be saved. So have checked over there, so around 500 MB, that is per day 500 MB I have saved for the data, so that I can able to watch more and I can able to learn a lot of things. So this is a beautiful setting option. Just to choose the data saving and enable this option, so you can identify and save your mobile data. And the second thing, so you have to make that video quality preference. So once you select this video quality preference, so you have to enable this data saver, that is low picture quality, that is data saver should be low picture quality, means automatically while you enable the data saving, automatically that everything will be changed into data saving model. So just check whether the data saver is enabled or not. So while you check all the things, means you can save 500 MB regularly, you can save your data. So it is a beautiful option while you are using YouTube to play any kind of videos you want to check and you want to find to save the data, means you can get to save an entire data per day. So this video will help you to save your mobile data to consume all kind of videos you can able to see. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.